My name is Dominick Castaldo. I'm the Director of Technical Service and Validation here at the Philadelphia Orthodox site. I oversee all the technical service and troubleshooting of all commercial products, as well as any technical transfers coming in from clients and the validation of all those products. Here at Philadelphia, we do the majority of the manufacturing. We also have a facility out in Aurora, Illinois, that does mostly fluid bed work. We do tablets and capsules, and we have a very unique process which we describe as adapt dose. We're able to put different doses or different dosage types into a single capsule. We have equipment that is explosion proof so that we're able to do solvents. We do a lot of alcohol granulations. Also, we have a coating pan that is explosion proof so we can do solvent coatings for ER processes. We're dedicated to the quality of the product, and we'll work with the client in order to get them what they need, the profiles that they're looking for, with quality aspects all built in.